Hello everyone. In this video, we will do this polynomial long division. Now in this case, this polynomial expression is being divided by this polynomial expression. So the polynomial expression being divided is called the dividend. And the polynomial expression that divides the dividend is called the divisor. Here the divisor is given as 3 plus x, but in order to do the polynomial division, we arrange the terms in the divisor in the descending order of the degree of the terms. So for this polynomial division, we'll use the divisor as x plus 3. Because in addition, order doesn't matter, so 3 plus x is the same as x plus 3. So now we can start with the polynomial long division setup. So first we'll write the dividend. So 2x4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. And then divided by, now outside here we write the divisor. So now we can start our long division. So we have to get rid of this 2x to the power 4. So we have to identify what do we multiply x in this divisor by to get 2x to the power 4. So we divide 2x to the power 4 by x to get the first term in the quotient. And we get 2x to the power 3. So this is the first term in the quotient and we write it at the top. And now we do 2x to the power 3 times x, which is 2x4. So we have to multiply this first term of the quotient by the two terms in the divisor. And then we do 2x cubed times 3, which is equal to 6x cubed. Now we can subtract these terms. So the 2x4 and the 2x4 cancel each other out. So now we do 3 minus 6, which is equal to negative 3. So we get negative 3x cubed. And now we bring down the x squared term, negative 4x squared. Now we have to get rid of this term negative 3x cubed. So we have to divide this by the x term in the divisor. So we do negative 3x cubed over x, which is equal to negative 3x squared. So that's our second term in the quotient. And now we multiply the divisor by negative 3x squared. So negative 3x squared times x is equal to negative 3x cubed. And then we multiply negative 3x squared by 3, which is equal to negative 9x squared. And now we have to subtract. So negative 3 minus negative 3, they cancel each other out. Now here we have to do negative 4 minus negative 9, so which becomes negative 4 plus 9, which is equal to 5x squared. Now we can bring down the next term, 5x. Now we have to get rid of 5x squared. So we have to find what the third term in the quotient will be, so that we can cancel out 5x squared. So we divide 5x squared by x from the divisor, which is equal to 5x. So that's the third term in the quotient. And now we multiply 5x by the divisor. So 5x times x is equal to 5x squared. And then 5x times 3 equals 15x. And now we can subtract the terms. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So the x squared terms cancel each other out. And here we do 5 minus 15, which is equal to negative 10x. Now we can bring down the number term plus 1. Now we have to cancel out negative 10x. So we'll divide negative 10x by x from the divisor, which is equal to negative 10. That's our last term in the quotient. So now we do negative 10 times x, which is equal to negative 10x. And then negative 10 times 3, which is equal to negative 30. Now we can subtract the terms. So negative 10 minus negative 10, so they cancel each other out. And here we do 1 minus negative 30, which becomes 1 plus 30, which is equal to 31. Now since this expression has a degree less than the degree of the divisor, the long division stops here. So 31 here becomes the remainder of this long division. And the expression here at the top is the quotient of this long division. Now if we have to write a division statement for this polynomial division, so we can write it as, so we start with the dividend, so 2x4 plus 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 over the divisor, so we can write it as 3 plus x because that's the given divisor, equals the quotient, which is 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10, and then plus, now we write the fraction with the remainder in the numerator and the divisor in the denominator. So this should be the final answer for the division statement for this polynomial long division. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.